Find some cloves right here. Okay. Yeah. So the water is boiling up, and that's what we want to see. Okay. So we have some cloves which we're gonna put inside of the water. Like this. A few cloves. Turn off the cooker. You don't want to have the cooker boiling same way. Alright. This beautiful cup of tea, and I'm a little bit tired, but you don't know. I have to give my recipe tonight. So the first thing what we are going to do, okay guys, and this is important, is 1 cups of hot water in the pot. Okay, 1 cups of hot water. Excellent. We need to get this boiled up first. I'm using boiling water from the kettle. But it's also a beautiful recipe. Very, very beautiful recipe, guys. I'm getting my cloves. Where it is? I'm supposed to have some more left, because I know I did not use all of my cloves, but my cloves is very important to me. Yeah. So I want to get that water boiled a little bit. This. Okay, found it. That is very important to Chef Ricardo, man. The cloves is one of my favorite. Alright, good vibes. Here it is. Find some cloves right here. Okay. Yeah. So the water is boiling up, and that's what we want to see. Okay. So we have some cloves which we're gonna put inside of the water. Like this. A few cloves. Turn off the cooker. You don't want to have the cooker boiling same way. Alright. You want to turn off the cooker. Now, with me, I cannot run out of cloves, guys. It's gonna make the water a little bit brownish. It's all good. Then we are going to get the rosemary, and we're going to put inside of it. Just like that. Then we're going to get a few pieces of ginger and put inside of it. So roughly about 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary, and roughly about a teaspoon of fresh ginger. You can grate the ginger, a couple of cloves inside of it. Feel free to grate the ginger, guys. Okay? Yeah. Now, this recipe is a beautiful recipe to have at home. Okay? If you guys know anything about the cloves, you will understand where I'm coming from. But if you not understand the cloves, please don't the rosemary, the cloves, and the ginger. It's one of those kind of recipe which works very effective at home, and it do helps you a lot, reduce also inflammation in the body. Okay, yeah, so make this at home. You want to drink it quite a few times. Well, you can't just drink it one day and that's it. You need to drink it at least 30 days. I'm starting giving my audience them to drink the teas, and because some people are drinking for 2 days. Oh, Ricardo, I didn't see nothing happening. I'm drinking the tea, and now you need to drink it 30 days. You know, 1 in the morning and 1 at night, and be grateful for the recipe, guys. It's a beautiful recipe, and I know I'm going to go down into some details and let you guys can see exactly why I'm saying drinking this cup of tea tonight before you even go to your bed, it can make the difference and the changes in your whole entire life. Okay, and I just want to encourage you. All right, I might put a little bit more heat on it and make it boil a little bit more. I don't know, hopefully. Let's see. All right, so yeah, let's see how it will come out as we goes on with it. All right, guys, beautiful cup of tea, as you can see. Wow, cloves, ginger, and rosemary. So I'm making 2 large cups of tea. So we got roughly about 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary and some ginger and cloves. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful, look at that. So when you drink this, all right, let me see if I can find some information. Oh, guys, you know what happened? I'm wondering, can talk to you guys about this incredible cup of tea. Sorry. Okay? So please, if I give you something, yeah man, don't feel no way. It's something powerful. Alright, and it's also get rid of mucus. So people who are suffering from arthritis and muscle pain and you know what? I'm going to do something with some of you guys tonight. Okay? We want to drink rosemary for 3 nights straight, and you guys can do the rest. Okay? Tonight, which is Sunday night, Monday night, and Tuesday night, we're going to be drinking rosemary tea. A lot of you guys don't understand one thing what I am making right here in this pot. I only see I'm doing the video, but I want you guys to take this thing very seriously, because you might sit down right now, you might be on your phone, you might at home right now and you're just watching, because I am making a cup of tea. The benefit behind this is incredible. Just like how you get up and go to work to make your money, to pay your light bill, your gas, your electric, is the same thing that's going to work inside of your immune system with your muscle pain, your back, your joint, and boost your immune system. I don't even have to go any further, because I know about this tea. I know about it, guys. It's very powerful and very effective for your immune system at home. Okay? Yeah. A good vibes. You cannot leave your house for 24 hours. What would you do and you're not 100% well? What would you do at home? Because, you know what I mean, you have a backache, your doesn't feel well, you need to see a doctor and all sort of stuff. Some of you guys go to doctor for some simple little things, which you guys can just fix that at home. But, you know what I mean, yeah, sometimes you need to see the doctor, but sometimes it's some simple little things which you guys can fix at home yourself. Let's take off this cup of tea, guys. Wow. Okay. beautiful. I love this, and I feel so happy and proud of myself. But I give God thanks. I give God thanks for the knowledge He passed on to me, which I could able to change myself around. Because, okay, so you can drink one tonight before you go to your bed, or one in the morning. Okay, and then when you come tomorrow night, you may do the same thing. It's up to you. If you don't want to do it, it's up to you. If you want to do it, you do it. No one gonna force you and tell you to look after yourself. Just like when you look after your boss work, it's the same way you need to look after yourself, because yourself is important. Okay, so what you want to do, make it fresh every time. Make one in the morning or one at night, whatever time you want to make it. Make it for 30 days. Just like when you get up every day and go to work for 30 days. Do the same thing. Look after your health for 30 days. Health is more important more than the bills where you're gonna pay, because you need health. I always say this, health come first. You have to look after yourself. And I was sorry I didn't know those things like 25, 30 years ago. Then I would be learning a lot. So I have to teach my daughter now to start looking after herself. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, all right. What we're gonna do, I'm going to pour off 1 cup of this beautiful tea. Okay, quickly. Getting yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon. Go over and grab yourself a copy of my book. Okay? Yeah, man. All right. Plant-based food. Let me tell you something. I'm a like pescatarian. I eat meat sometimes. Okay, but I don't eat this whole heap of stuff, because like sometimes I eat egg with avocado when I'm taking my vitamin them in the morning. Sometimes I eat beef with they call it beef with broccoli. I mostly eat vegetables. Yeah, I'm mostly a vegetarian. So just pour it off, and that's the beautiful look what we are getting right there. I'm a little bit you know what I mean, I'm very happy and I'm excited for these kind of teas, because I know
sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm.